It's full steam ahead for some Jackson County schools. Both Ripley and Ravenswood Middle School are learning about the magic of solar panels thanks to a new collaboration.
They were working with snap circuits in their green energy kit, and they made things light up and they made fans spin.
BHE Renewables is thrilled to be able to equip teachers with this technology to open up a whole new world of possibilities for students to learn about renewable energy.
The plant's just right up from this school, and a lot of them don't know about it, and they certainly don't know the careers that are available.
We have a solar microgrid there that we're building that will power the Time at Titanium facility.
I think it makes it more real. It's not just reading about it, they're applying it. They know that it can be used. They can understand the world around them where they may not have had that opportunity in the past.
It's so gratifying to see the students, how engaged they are. It's amazing. You know, you can see right now on their faces that they get it.